I'm going to use brown Ganga Hobby crochet thread and 1.75 mm crochet hook. I will make a magic ring and put 12 single crochet in the magic ring. This is my magic ring. I will put 12 single crochet in the magic ring. After making single crochet, I am just going to pull the thread and try to close the loop. I am not going to close it too tight because our button needs to pass through the center. So slip stitch into very first single crochet and complete the first round. Chain 1. Second round is 2 single crochet on each single crochet. So we should have 24 single crochet in total. After last single crochet, slip stitch into very first single crochet and close the line. Chain 1. Now we will start making the ears for the bear. So 1 HDC and 1 DC in the next space. Again 1 DC and 1 HDC in the next space. Chain 1, slip stitch into next. We have total 24 single crochets around the center. Now I have used first 3 single crochets for making one ear. Now I will make 15 slip stitches and then I will make next ear. Chain 1, HDC and DC in the next space. DC and HDC in the next space. Chain 1 and slip stitch into next. Now slip stitch 2 more times. Total 3 slip stitches and pull up the loop and cut the yarn. I'll do finishing part in one go. So first I'll make as many ornaments as I need and then only I'll start with finishing work. This is how finally our button ornaments will look. For making Evil's Eye button charm, I have used Ganga Hobby India crochet thread in required colors, 1.75 mm crochet hook, darning needle and my favorite pair of scissors. This is the simplest and the easiest button charm. With black color I started my work. 12 single crochet in the magic ring. Second line is with light blue color. 2 single crochet onto each single crochet, so 12 becomes 24. The third line is with white color. Now here increase and single crochet, increase and single crochet. So alternate stitch we have increase. Now total count will be 36. In the last line I will have increase after 2 single crochets. So increase, single crochet and increase. So we start with 12, then becomes 24, 36 and 48. If you know how to work in circles, this is the easiest button charm you can do. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel Hook to Knot.